Welcome to techxlovers. Top gadgets to buy on Amazon right now. VIVE XR Elite. The VIVE XR Elite is a convertible all-in-one XR headset from HTC. It was announced on October 11, 2022 and is expected to be released in Q1 2023. The XR Elite is designed to be a versatile headset that can be used for both standalone VR and PCR/VR. It features a high-resolution display with a combined resolutions of 3840 by 1920 pixels, a 1110-degree field of view, and 90 Hz refresh rate. It also has a built-in depth sensing camera for accurate tracking and spatial awareness. The XR Elite is powered by a Snapdragon XR2 processor and has 112GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It also has a built-in battery that can last for up to 2 hours on a single charge. One of the key features of the XR Elite is its convertible designs. The battery cradle can be detached to make the headset more lightweight and portable. This makes it ideal for both home use and on-the-go use. Vivid pass-through. This allows users to see the real world around them without having to own headset. Adjustable IPD and dials. This allows users to customize the headset for the best possible visual experience. High-octane VR gaming through wireless PC streaming. This allows users to play PC VR games without having to be strapped to a PC. Balanced and clear audio. The XR Elite has built-in speakers that provide immersive audio. Xlovers. The Xlovers multi-tool is a versatile tool that includes a variety of everyday and emergency functions. It is made of stainless steel and has a silver finish. The tool has the following features: needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, knife, saw, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, file, ruler, corkscrew, scissors, fire starter, compass, emergency whistle. The Xlovers multi-tool is a great all-around to have a very companion hiking, backpacking, or everyday use. It is small and lightweight, so it is easy to carry around, and the tool is also well made and durable. Versatility. The Xlovers multi-tool includes a wide variety of tools, making it a good choice for a variety of tasks. Durability. The tool is made of stainless steel and has a silver finish, making it durable and resistant to corrosion. Portability. The tool is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Price. The Xlovers multi-tool is reasonably priced, making it good value for the money. GoPro AER. The GoPro AER is a towable GoPro mount that allows users to capture unique aerial footage without the need for a drone. It is made of a durable material that is both waterproof and buoyant, so it can be used in a variety of environments. The AER also has a built-in stabilizer that helps to reduce camera shake, resulting in a smooth and professional-looking footage. To use the AER, simply attach your GoPro camera to the mount and throw it into the air. AER will automatically stabilize the camera and begin recording footage, so you can tap the catch and AER and retrieve your GoPro camera. The AER is a great tool for capturing aerial footage of sporting ways and sporting events, concerts, vacations, and other activities. It is also a popular tool for the filmmakers and videographers who want to work and who want to do the unique and dynamic shots to their productions. Easy to use. The AER is very easy to use. Simply attach to a GoPro camera to the mount and throw it into the air. The AER will do the rest. Versatile. The AER can be used in a variety of environments, including water. It is also compatible with all GoPro cameras. Durable. The AER is made of a durable material that is both waterproof and buoyant. Affordable. The AER is relatively affordable compared to other aerial photography solutions such as drones. Rolling Square TAU. The Rolling Square TAU is a tiny 3-in-1 power bank. It is compatible with virtually every mobile and every mobile device in the world. It has a built-in and lightning micro USB and USB-C cable and can be used to charge iPhones, iPads, AirPods, Android phones, tablets, and other devices. The TAU is also equipped with a magnetic charging dock, which makes it easy to keep it charged and easy to use. Simply hang the TAU on the top, you get the home, it will be ready to go whenever you head out next. The TAU is a great choice for people who are always on the go or who need a reliable and power bank for their everyday use. It is small and lightweight and can easily be used and be carried in a pocket, purse, or a backpack. The TAU is also durable and water resistant, so it can withstand the elements. Elgato Stream Deck. The Elgato Stream Deck is a programmable controller with 12 and 15 LCD keys that can be used to trigger a variety of actions such as switching scenes, launching applications, controlling audio, and muting your microphone. It is a popular tool for streamers, but it can also be used for other purposes such as video editing, graphics, designers, and music productions. The Steam Deck is easy to use. Simply drag and drop actions onto the keys and press the key to trigger the action and to trigger it down. You can also create custom profiles for different activities and switch between profiles with a single button press. The Stream Deck comes with a variety of pre-installed actions, but you can also create your own custom actions using the Stream Deck softwares. There are also a number of third-party plugins available that add additional features and functionality to the Steam Deck. Increase productivity. The Stream Deck can help you to increase your productivity by streamlining your workflow by assigning common tasks to the keys. You can perform them with a single button press rather than having to navigate through a minus and submenus. Improve the live streams. The Stream Deck can help you to improve your live stream by making it so easy to control all aspects of your stream with a single device. You can switch scenes, launch applications, control audio, and interact with your viewers without having to tap between different windows. Enhance creativity. The Stream Deck can help you to enhance your creativity by giving you quick and easy access to a variety of tools and features. You can create custom profiles for different creative activities such as video editing, graphic designing, and music productions. FLÍKR Fire. The FLÍKR Fire is a portable fire creator that is powered by a bioethanol. It is safe, easy to use, and produce no smoke or ash. The FLÍKR Fire is perfect for indoor and outdoor use, and it can be used for a variety of purposes such as heating the room, cooking food, or simply creating a relaxing atmosphere. The FLÍKR Fire is made of high-quality materials and is built to last. It is also very easy to use. Simply add to bioethanol to the reservoir and light a match and enjoy the FLÍKR Fire. Well, the FLÍKR Fire is a safe and environmentally friendly way to enjoy the warmth and ambience of a fire. It's perfect for people who live in apartment or condos or who simply don't want to deal with the hassle of building and maintaining a traditional campfire. Please like, share, and subscribe.